guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically remove the background music from your vocals in like a song in Capcut PC. I'm just going to extract audio, or you can go to vocal isolation just there. Select your audio, go to the basic here, scroll down to vocal isolation, and you're going to select keep vocal instead of remove. So it's going to only play the vocal. Hope you can hear it. I'm just gonna make it a little bit quieter.
Sophia, know that you and I shouldn't feel like a crime. I think
It sounds very weird without the background music. That's just me singing. So that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!